Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 7, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here we can see media call, ring, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to set the don't disturb mode, click here to turn it on or to turn it off. Also, we can set here allow the SMS, notifications, calls from many people, apps, alarms. We can set here also the schedule, the start and the end time, and to change the options for hidden notifications and to change the duration for quick settings. Here we can change the phone ringtone. We can also use here the live captions. In adaptive sound section, we can also use the switcher to use the adaptive sound. Also, we can see here now playing section, so we can identify songs playing nearby. So just to do that, you should use the switcher here. We can also pin the media player, and to show the media recommendations, just also we should turn on or turn off these options by using the switchers here. And we can change notification and alarm sounds, and here in other sound settings we can see the dial pad tone, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, and always show icon when in vibration mode. So to use all of these options, we should also use the switchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Google Pixel 7. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.